Welcome to my web series Mobile and Wireless Communication subject. This is subject for 5th semester in the Electronics and Telecommunication department. Subject code 22533, chapter 1, Wireless Communication System. Today we see a topics, a receiver section of mobile handset. I am Mr. S.S. Asne, lecturer in the Electronics and Telecommunication department, CSMS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. So today, receiver section of the mobile handset or a cellular phone. This is schematic block diagram of a cellular receiver. So in this receiver section, it is a dual convergence super heterodyne receiver. That means a down conversion is done twice in this receiver. So signal receiving from antenna is isolated from output stage of the transmitter with the help of device called a duplexer. Means duplexer isolate the signal from the transmitter section. Duplexer will connect the receiving signal only to the cellular receiver input. The output of duplexer goes to the RF amplifier. Output of duplexer goes to the RF amplifier. The function of RF amplifier is boost the level of input signal to sufficient value and applies it to the first mixer. So RF amplifier increase the strength of the receiving signal or boost the value of the receiving signal. Then next, the second input to the mixer 1 means first mixer, that is here is a local oscillator 1 signal obtained from frequency synthesizer. So these are the two inputs, output of RF amplifier and local oscillator 1 is given to the first mixer. First mixer will down convert the incoming signal to the produced first intermediate frequency, which is equal to the 82.2 megahertz, or for some other receiver it is 45 megahertz. The signal passed through the first intermediate frequency amplifier are applied to the second mixer, and it sufficiently applied and convert it into the down. So second mixer will down the frequency. Local oscillator for second mixer is a crystalline oscillator. So this is a crystalline oscillator. The second down conversion takes place at the second mixer and it convert the frequency up to 10.7 megahertz or 455 kilohertz is produced. So this is the range to down converted signal. This signal is applied by second intermediate amplifier and demodulated by FM demodulator to get a voice signal. After this step, there are three output. 1, 2 and 3. So demodulated voice signal is de-emphasized, filter, amplified and then applied to the loudspeaker for sound production. Demodulator output filter and is also applied to DC amplifier. So first output of the demodulator is given to DC amplifier, which produce a DC voltage indicating the strength of receiving signal. So this indicator is called as a receiving signal strength indicator, that is RSSI. So long form of RS, receiving signal strength indicator. The next output that is given to the audio filter. These signal are then amplified to logic unit, which produce the set and control signal for transmitter and receiver. The next output is given to the band pass filter, that is BPF, which select the control the audio tones and digital control data signal, which are sent by cell side. The most important, that is RSS signal, is sent back to the cell site in order to help the MTSO to monitor the receiving signal from cell site and decide about the switching to another cell. So this is all about the cellular receiver. So there are duplexer, RF amplifier, first mixer, first intermediate frequency amplifier, second mixer, then after all second intermediate frequency amplifier, FM demodulator, and these three output stages of the receiver section. So overview about the receiver section. The duplexer is used to isolate the signal from the transmitter, which the signal comes from antenna. This receiver signal are improve the value, that is boosting the value using the RF amplifier. This output goes to the first mixer. The second input to the first mixer comes from the local oscillator from the frequency synthesizer. The output of that first synthesizer are down converted up to the 82.2 megahertz, or some other it is 45. The output of that first intermediate frequency amplifier given to the second mixer. After all, this frequency again down converted using the second intermediate frequency amplifier. It is up to 10.7 megahertz or 455 kilohertz. So this down converted signal is given to the FM demodulator. FM demodulator are given output, three type of output. One is RSS, that is receiving signal strength indicator, and second this FM demodulator de-emphasize, filter and then applied to this DC amplifier, audio filter and band pass filter. So these are the three output stages. The next topic about the receiver section, that is frequency features of receiver section. So these are listed here. First feature, that is operating frequency, it 870 to 890 megahertz. Type of modulation, that is frequency modulation. Total number of channel, that is 666. Frequency band for each channel is 30 kilohertz. Then output power is 500 milliwatt. Separation between transmitter and receiver frequency is 45 megahertz. So it is main feature is dual convergence super heterodyne type receiver, and it uses duplexer to isolate the transmitter and receiver signal. Since all these are the feature of the receiver section. And the last, what type of question asked in the MSBT question paper, that is draw the block diagram of receiver section unit of the mobile handset and state its function in the cellular handset. So this is all about the receiver section. Thank you very much watching my video. Subscribe my channel and comment on video. Once again, subscribe my MS Learning Center channel or web series of mobile and wireless communication.